Look, who is that?
I cannot see anything.
Well, when you watch the video on my YouTube channel, because I have to zoom in, he really is coming. Maybe I should go. By the way, hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from that clip, I am stalking my friend. No, just kidding. I'm meeting Steven Anderson today, and I'm bringing you a new video that I don't know what will happen yet, but we'll figure it out. Don't worry. Hello. Hi, Steven. How are you doing?
It's good. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's. Oh my God, it's not even cold. It's pretty warm.
I overdressed today.
Look at you.
Look at
Wow,
you too.
ready to go to prom? No, I'm ready to go to summer. I want to review this restaurant. I think it's supposed to be like a seafood kind of place. And it's very cute.
Yum.
Yeah, it has an oyster bowl. You like oyster?
I never had an oyster before.
Okay, we need to fix that. Okay, so we're just gonna walk slowly, enjoying the sunshine. Look at this town, people. Wow, there's no human at all. This is our shadows, as you can see. I love science.
Is this the QFC you go to?
Yeah, that's the place.
Coastal Kitchen?
Yeah, the coastal kitchen. I won't say chicken. So yeah.
Crowded?
I don't know. Two. The oysters are here. This is the list. We try each kind of oyster. So these are the list of them, and these are, I forget the order, but I know that the last one is the North Bay one, so it must go from here to here. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's gonna be the first time Steven had oyster too. Are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Okay everyone, right now I'm going to show you guys how to eat the oyster. First, I think first the good thing is to put lemon in all of them. You like this too, right?
Yes.
Because it's fresh, so the lemon will help with the flavor. There you go. And then I don't know what is this sauce. I want to try it. Oh, it's lemon.
It's yum.
So I'll add a little bit of that to mine.
And mine.
Okay, you're gonna eat? Yes, do it.
Oh, Benny!
Thank you.
And then we got this Catherine's Grand Slam.
You use this thing, like a small fork, to make sure that nothing sticks. Okay, Steven?
Okay.
So you do like that, make sure nothing sticks to it. Wow. Then chuck it. Mine's sticking somewhere.
It's good. It tastes like the fish market.
Right? It's really fresh. You want another one? Both sides.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, these two are huge. Look how fat this is, you guys. So big.
What's its name?
That one you have is this one, and what I have is
I meant for the office.
sorry, we don't know what it is. Oh, so each oyster type is supposed to taste different too. So
Oh.
this one will taste different from the other one. Some of them are more creamy, some of them more salty, some of them more sweet,
Oh.
some of them more fresh.
Oh.
Yeah. So here we go. This one is so much more creamy. How about yours?
It was creamier.
Really good. You want the last one?
No, you can have the last one.
You don't want it?
It's your video.
Maybe next time we'll get more.
Okay.
Next time you should come here and just get oyster and drink.
Okay.
Right?
Mimosa?
Or margarita or
Okay.
something like that. That would be great. Oyster is good with drinking. I look really good today.
I think they can see that.
Anyway, I will demonstrate one more. This one is supposed to be the cushy oyster. And then I put some sauce on it. Careful, don't want to that. Cheers! Look at the oyster. Okay, and then done. Hey, Steven, what did you get?
I got gingerbread waffles with eggs over easy and applewood bacon.
Wow, how seasonal appropriate. And then I got, what did I get?
Dungeness crab.
Yeah, the crab cake, which doesn't look like crab cake. I don't know why, but there's hash brown and ketchup, so it looks more like a breakfast, but I'm ready to taste. First, I want to taste the hash brown because it looks really good. Wow, it's really flavorful. Tastes like it has 5 spices in it, like turmeric. It's really good. Oh, there's an egg on it. This is an egg.
Oh.
So it's supposed to explode. Okay, I will do this one so you guys can see it. Oh. Oh, so it has like crab meat in here. Okay, big bite. Amazingness. Add some ketchup. You like your food?
Yes.
Let me give you some of this.
No, thank you.
Can I try some of your bacon?
Oh, yes. Have a piece.
I want to steam this bacon. Ha ha ha. Is it good bacon?
I like it. It's
It
cooked
looks
how
like
I like it.
Oh my! It's alive, it's still jumping, you guys. How fresh it is. Looks like it's homemade, very thick. Mm. It's so crispy. This place is really good. It's so good. How do you like the crab?
I haven't had it yet.
What is that bread underneath called? Biscuit?
English muffin.
Oh, it's English muffin. It's really good with some ketchup.
Wow.
You just like put it in your mouth. Like, what do you
This gingerbread waffle tastes spicy, but also sweet at the same time.
Oh wow.
Quite delicious.
How about your eggs and bacon? What do you think?
The bacon has just the amount of crispiness that I like, so I'm a big fan of this bacon. I'm very picky when it comes to bacon, and this bacon is cooked just the way I like it.
Wow. Immediate demonstration.
Well, it was my first time eating oysters, and I was very impressed by the experience.
I think it's really good. The food is really tasty. The seafood is really fresh. Overall, I had a great experience there.
Me too.
Are you gonna come back?
Yeah, definitely. I saw quite a few things on the menu that I need to try.
See, I told you.
Oh, I can see it this time.
Yeah, it's a Space Needle, you guys. Look how close we are to it right now. Oh, it's so cute. I love the fall. Look at the street. Okay, everyone. Today, I want to show you. Steven is so scared of conflict. This guy, can you believe that? He spit on us. We're walking on the street like innocent little deers to walk past on the freaking forest, and then he just say move, and then but we're walking, so we didn't care about him, and then he spit in the air, in the middle of the air, and it splashed on us, right, Steven? What kind of human being? And then I said I said to Steven is like, oh, let's go away, right? And I'm like, wait, let's stay, and then we can, what if I spit on him too? And then what did you say?
I don't even remember what I said.
You say, I don't want to start.
I don't want to start a spitting fight.
Yeah, and then I was like, wait, I have to film him so the audience can see, and I want to absorb him a little more, but you thought I say absorb, so what did you say after that?
You don't want to absorb any more of him than you did.
Yeah, we already, he spit like, actually he did a pretty good job, so it's like really like mist in the air, and then just the wind just delivered it. But Steven was so close to him, but I got a little bit here, so I just want to show you guys, if you're in this Safeway and you see that guy, be careful, he will spit on you if you don't move, like he said. So what did we learn today, guys? Very valuable lesson. Life is like spit, so don't be too hopeful. Don't expect too much, and don't be too excited no matter what happened, because you never know when someone will spit on you on the street. Thank you for hanging out with me in this video. I hope you guys will have a great day. Please leave a comment down below if you guys have any kind of weird, scary, creepy experience with people on the street. Please let me know. I would love to hear about those kind of stories. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's a lot of fun videos coming up here. And please leave this video a like if you enjoy. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Wherever you are, whenever you are watching this video, I hope you are doing great, and I hope you are not getting spit on. Bye!